The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Program. Sleep apnea is a sleeping disorder associated with the pausing of breath or periods of shallow breathing during sleep. Snoring and sleep apnea is a common problem that affects many people. It not only affects the self-esteem of the victim but also affects those people who are close to them. Most married people have complained that they have been unable to get a good night's sleep because of their partner snoring and have since been looking for a solution to stop the snoring and sleep apnea. Check out how your snoring can be gone in 3 minutes with this easy throat exercises.